Hey everybody, it's Erica Elizabeth.
And Sailor.
And Paul.
And today we are doing
A mukbang.
a spicy ramen mukbang. Noodles.
We're going to be trying all different spicy things, which we are all wearing red.
Which is why, yes.
Paul.
Except Paul.
Yeah.
Paul's wearing black, which is also
Yeah, let's put some
like
spices
coal.
on here.
He's representing the coal in this.
I'm gonna leave you ladies to it.
Okay.
You have fun. Do you need tissues?
No, I think we're gonna be okay.
Can you get us just for a little? Get some.
Okay, everybody, we are back. So, Sailor and I have set out all of our spicy items. Sailor, can you tell everybody what we have in front of us?
Yes. So we have chili sauce, and then we have some hot Cheetos back here, and then we have some. Let's do it.
Yeah.
So guys, we have hot Cheetos, we have these sauces, they're not that spicy. We have what it's called, and we have our drink right here. And we have hot Cheetos, and we have more hot Cheetos, like baby hot Cheetos.
Baby hot Cheetos.
And then we have like some hot Takis right here. And this is still chili sauce.
Yeah, that's Cholula,
And
and then Texas Pete,
And then Texas Pete.
some
And then,
Louisiana.
and then we have, these are these.
We have our local grocery store, HEB. We have their version of Takis. They just looked even more neon red, so I was like, let's go. And they're bussin'. They're good.
Ma, this is such a good chili though. But like the background, oh my gosh!
So in today's video, Sailor and I are going to prepare these 3 ramens that you see right over here that we're slightly reluctant to move because they are like strategically set up. But essentially we are going from least hot to most hot.
So these are 2.
So this one is 2 chili
and
peppers.
it's not that spicy. So make sure you won't throw up it.
So anywho, that one is 2 chili peppers hot. And then we have next the one that is,
Like, it's
let's make
3.
sure you duck behind it, say.
That one's 4.
4 chili peppers hot. And then
5.
lastly we have 6. So it's 2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6,
Lemonade.
Sugar in the water, cause we can lemonade.
This last one, guys, is
It's
6 chili peppers hot. So we have, the flavors are fiery beef, sizzling rich pork, and lastly we have molten chili chicken. And it says no added MSG. No added MSG. Probably already has MSG, but none was added to it extra. So that's reassuring. Now this says fire sauce packet included. So Sailor and I are going to open these all up, and then we are going to probably dress the ramen with our spicy ingredients. You guys, we were just discussing, but Paul took the water to fill it up, which is like, you know, thank you, babe. But also, why did you take the water jug?
Because we're doing a spicy video, and these things might be scalding hot our flesh off.
Scalding our tongue flesh, you guys. So.
Because one time my mom tried the noodles, and it scalded her lips.
But they were looking juicy. So you guys, we also made some fiery umami eggs, which I just got an umami egg recipe off Google, and then I basically just added pretty much all these spicy sauces here to just make it like fiery hot. So I've never tried that before, but we're gonna see how that turns out in this recipe. Yes, ma'am.
Mom, I was wondering if I could show them.
Yeah, absolutely.
So guys, I'm gonna show you. Oh gosh. So guys, this is supposed to be a chili sauce. Oh god, this is supposed to be a chili sauce, to make it like spicy. Not my head, not even trying to be in here. Okay, and this is supposed to be that seasoning that they always put in it. So then we have the other one, and this is supposed to be the sauce. Not my head sticking in, and this is supposed to be. And this is supposed to be the sauce. And then this is supposed to be like, wait, is there anything else in here? And then this is, no. And then this is supposed to be, what is it called? What is that called? Guys, this is the flame of the chili sauce, like what I said. Okay, this is chili sauce like I said. Oh gosh! This is the chili sauce like I said.
Okay, you guys, Sailor and I are back and we have hot water in all of our ramen, and I also brought these yummy umami eggs that I am so hopeful I can show you without letting them drop on the floor. Check that out, guys. Okay, so we've got our hot water, heating up our noodles.
I just stirred mine because
You go ahead. Remember, we're sharing them, so we're gonna taste all of them.
Yeah.
So you can go ahead and dump your packets in. I think these are the.
I'm just gonna dump
Where's
a
the
little.
packets for these?
See, those are.
Oh, little green onions. Those are like green beans. Those aren't even green onions. Okay, guys. So probably need scissors normally to do this, but
I'm
Sailor
not
and
putting a
I
lot in here.
are not using scissors.
I'm not putting a lot in
No,
here.
you dump it all, Mama. It's all for the noodles. Did I just do this right? I really don't know what goes in what. I feel like I just confused myself.
No, this one's right.
Okay,
Oh,
those
these are
two.
right.
Okay, so these are right. So these go in here. Wait, what does it say? This literally says, take the challenge. Fiery chicken noodles coated with a spicy yet tangy Korean chili pepper sauce that builds the heat with every bite. Oh, I hadn't read that before.
Oh, look at what's green like that.
I'm gonna show you guys this pour.
Oh, God.
Okay. I'm gonna dip this. You wanna try it?
And I haven't tried it before. It's hot. When you pour it in there, it's pretty hot.
It's like, it tastes, I think it's like oil, but when you lick it, it is like fire for some reason. Okay, you guys, here we go. Sailor is mixing all of the seasoning in.
What is that?
She has the one that's least hot, as scary as that is though, because it's like bright red. So you would think this is the hottest
Oh,
one.
that's a beautiful
It's apparently not.
That's a beautiful color.
How's it looking, Say?
It's looking beautiful.
Oh. How's yours looking, Say?
Mine is looking pretty good.
Do a little pickup for us, Say. The noodles have fully absorbed our broth. Thank
But
you.
mine is not. Sorry.
I just freaking launched a piece somewhere into the ether. So strangely enough, I'm like, did we do this right? Because
Ow.
this is looking like the molten I really don't know if Sailor and I did this right, because it looks like the molten chili is like the least spicy, and then the hottest looking one is in the container that says not spicy. So Sailor, did we open this right? Look at this, Sailor. This says fire sauce packet, but you put the fire sauce packet in here. Sailor, I don't know which one's the spicy one and which one's not. We did this wrong.
Mom, we really did.
We literally did
No,
it
we
like
really
opposite.
did.
Like I think this is
This
the
one
not
is
that.
that one.
I think this one's right.
Mom, no,
But I
this,
think
no, Mom, this one is that one. And this one, wait, no.
Wait, this says fire sauce packet too. And this one says chili sauce packet.
Maybe we were supposed to.
What have we done?
Guys, we are doomed. Dun, dun, dun.
All right, guys. Well, Sailor and I have no idea, so wish us luck.
We are doomed.
Okay, guys, I am gonna cut my umami egg, guys. Wowzer. Well, guys, I am pretty sure Sailor and I have this backwards, and that this is the least hot and that is the most hot. But
No, this one's the least hot.
I don't think so,
No,
Sailor. It's
Mom, that
red.
one's 2. But it's 2.
But I'm
peppers.
saying I don't know if we put the right packets in. So even if the box says that, I don't know if we put the packets in. I think we got confused. Oh well, anyway.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, everybody, it's time. Thanks, baby. Let's open our drinks, Sailor. I don't know how cooling red dye number 5 is, but we're gonna find out. Maybe we need more than one. God, I used to be able to open these when I was a kid. What the heck? And hers is all open.
I'll help you.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna give you a napkin, thing. See, that one's kind of jammed. I'm just glad it's not me. Let me try, baby. Time to take a knife to it.
Wait, put it right.
Thanks, baby. Why did that have to be so hard?
Cheers.
All right, everybody.
This
Cheers.
is our drinks.
Hopefully you're enjoying something with us. Maybe some cooling beverage or some ice.
It's a very sugar.
Oh, wow, that's nothing but sugar. That tastes like lip gloss.
Okay. And a 1, 2, 3,
You can
go.
use your fork if you need to, see. Doesn't taste good?
Oh my gosh, it's burning up in here.
Say, where are you going?
That
Ooh.
is spicing hot.
That's fire, but that's good. Guys, Sayla, what do you want to say about this one? Because I'm literally shaking.
So guys, I would give this one, I'm gonna say how spicy it's gonna be. How spicy is like a 4, I'll say.
A 4?
A 4, I think, is how spicy it is. And like the chili sauce is like so
What is that?
oily. It's like, it's so weird.
So the chili sauce, yeah, for sure,
It's like
is
very
oily, and it's like coating your tongue.
It's like, I don't
So
like
it's
that kind of
definitely
oil.
hot, and you can see it's kind of separating. If you see the oil
Look at that.
like separating in there. But why don't you try this one first,
Okay.
and then eat an egg?
Okay, but I
You
don't
guys, moment of truth.
I'm just gonna taste it.
We're gonna try these. This one is the 4 peppers.
This one isn't that spicy.
What are you talking about? Ooh, that's hot.
Not too dry.
I don't know if you got a bite of that chili sauce, because wow, that's fire. That's lingering. That's on the tongue. Wow. I'm sweating, y'all. Where's my paper towel? Not you using it as mouthwash. It's sugar, say I don't see it cooling. Have another bite of that, Zay. Tell me if you think that.
No, I'm good. Yeah, mine.
Oh my god. That's burning. That's coming with a vengeance. Ooh. Okay,
Okay.
and now,
I'm
Sailor,
gonna eat this one.
let's taste this though.
Okay.
Taste this fiery hot one.
Wait, this is.
So
what-
guys,
what
that
number
one
this
is significantly hotter. This one
one?
has riboflavin. What is that?
This one has 6. This is gonna be scalding over flesh.
Scalding! Oh!
It's scalding over. Why is it scalding over?
I didn't get that far. That's got me
Okay,
pouring,
okay,
y'all. So wait, before you do, I just want to tell everybody,
This one doesn't.
that
look
one's
that
lingering. So that one, it was hot, but I feel like it went away. This one,
hot.
it's like in my chest, like a shot of whiskey. Like that's burning. Classy girl.
Sorry, that came out of nowhere.
Oh my
I'm so
God.
sorry, guys.
Well, what can she
That was
say?
weird.
Okay. Ooh, yeah, I just burped myself. Gosh, that is spicy.
This is not that spicy.
No?
It's a dot of spicy.
At this point, I feel like I can't even tell because I can't really feel my tongue.
It's not that spicy. Is it spicy? Is it spicy? It's not that spicy.
No, I feel like that one's not that spicy.
It's not. I
So I
think
really
it's,
do think we had that out of order. I think this one is the spiciest one. Taste that one again, would you?
No, I'm good.
Please.
No, I know.
I don't need it. I don't need to be proven.
No, I know.
If you want this one, you can, because it doesn't seem to be spicy. You can have this one if you want.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah, you know what? I want to try my umami egg too.
Okay, you can get these one.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry, I just like the gooey one.
So do I.
Okay. So,
Oh my gosh, that umami egg
it's so good.
turned out so good.
1, 2.
Well, you guys,
Guys, you gotta look at these hot Cheetos. Somebody get you one of these hot Cheetos.
I'm putting all of this in the video. I'm too afraid to like, honestly, I wanted to drink something, but like this red bag number 5, like I'm so, yeah, that's not it. So guys, thank you so much for watching our video today. We didn't have much of a story today, but we hope you enjoyed us causing ourselves great pain eating all this spicy food. We feel like we might possibly throw it back up, but hey, you know, only time will tell. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope you shared a meal with us. Maybe you are going to take this fiery hot challenge yourself. We got these ramens literally at Walmart. And then, of course, a bunch of spicy hot chips from the grocery store as well. So you could really just recreate this if you wanted at home. Like I said, I will link the recipe to the umami egg down below, and then just let you know what I added to it. But to me, it's delicious, but I don't think Sailor likes umami eggs in general. I've never really seen her eat one that she liked. So I think it's just the whole pickling of the egg that she doesn't like. I'm not sure.
I just don't like the sauce on it. I don't like how, what's that sauce that, it's like soy sauce? Yeah, I don't like how it has that soy sauce on it. It's like so weird tasting. I like how it's normal. I like how it's normal because it's just, I like how it's gooey in the middle. I like how it has like the yolk and it's like soft and gooey.
Me too.
But not like water, straight water, but like, you know what I mean, like soft.
Like gel.
Like
gelatin.
Gelatin a little. And I like how it's like that, and I like the whiteness of it, and I like how it's like.
So you like the texture, just not the flavor.
Yeah.
So anyway, you guys, stay tuned for the next video. Be sure to like this video.
And comment down below.
Comment down below.
Turn on the notifications, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Ding! I'm struggling mentally. Ding!